It's not a 1 hour job. We can't do anything when the trains are running, so we need this block of lines to bring our diggers, hydrimas, everything on the track and do this work. We're installing a drainage on the side of the network. That will definitely take away the rainwater, surface water, and prevent damaging the formation. It's quite challenging when you have to dig close to this mast and formation. We have to think also the structural stability. We do a couple of spot checks, but once you dig it, then only you can find out what kind of subgrade you are getting it. So to get our desired strength could be quite challenging. We're working day and night. Doing work at night gives a less interruption to the public and we can achieve more. All of them since I joined KiwiRail.